The lockdown, talk about it.
If the people, if you know, so boy, we know how we do. We think in this, we have to try to get together and try to know things to ourselves.
Come over here, sir. Come on, talk to you. You're born and grow here, sir.
Yeah, I'm born and grow here, sir. I'm born and grow in Manchester. I'm 50, March I come here 54 years old. March I come here 54. I'm born a Grey Ground.
Grey Ground, me here, so it's a place where things go on more time.
Yes,
Go over
yes,
there, sir.
yeah. I'm born a Grey Ground. I'm born a Grey Ground. And I tell you, say, raise me like an animal, I feel like a hog and I look a goat. I get up early, I'm in time and I jump up on the bus. And the bus, I jump up on
What you do on the bus?
like doctor.
You're a doctor? Like Gaza?
Yeah, doctor on the bus.
So you farm and you work?
Yeah, my farming is not like animal. That's my farming.
Yes, but you say you're 50 something?
I'm 54 years old.
Healthy man.
I'm 1967, 29 I'm
You're healthy, brother.
Yeah, you see, I'm in time. Look after me drink up a bitters.
Like what kind of bitters?
Bitters, nobody make bitters like bush.
Cersei.
And them something and Guinea weed.
Guinea weed.
Every them look something you use. I say and headache weed. So you drink all them something.
Every morning?
Not every man, but me get up, me use it special a morning time. I tell you, say, my body feel different, brother. A morning time, feel young.
Wait, me have to know, you know, cause the way you look better than me.
Yeah, no, but I'm 54 years old and about 1967, 29 I'm March, you know.
So you say Guinean weed?
Guinea weed. You say Guinea weed a morning time?
Yeah.
Guinea weed a morning time. It have to dry, you know, dry. And you boil it.
Sorry, so we never get to know you the last time because we did kind of busy, but now I get to know you. Me realize the...
Yeah, the manpower.
Me realize the spirit.
The spirit.
Are you?
The spirit. Now I get up morning time, I do my hard work, man. Look after me and my can now a couple of me look after, you know. Look after in a pen and then because something clean my pen and a morning time and yeah, I told you to go to me tell you out before because I need more help, you know, because me alone can't do it. Me have some youth, me look at youth, them nowadays youth and I do nothing.
So them no want to help you?
Them no want to help. I might be able to tell you the goat, you make him sit there for a whole day and suffer. And that's not nice. You need, if you have animal and you take care of animal, you're not seeing nothing out of it, you know. If you have something and you take care of it.
Yeah.
You have
there's nothing.
Nothing.
Guinea weed, Cersei.
You see, Cersei, Guinea weed.
You don't combine them? No.
No, you're not. Okay. Guinea weed are to himself.
Separate.
To himself.
Monday you do the Guinea.
Yes. In a week now, like I drink myself, my bitters now come me. My boy, the bitters like bitter bush. The chip, bitter.
Oh, the chip for one of the roots?
Yes, the roots you chip off.
Yeah, you buy that.
And you have on you all look at things and mix them.
Yeah.
You drink that, daddy. You say you drink that, you feel like your body natural.
So, how you treat the woman them after you drink your thing them?
Me not run with a woman. My wife sick.
Your wife? Sorry.
My wife sick, you know. My wife has pressure, you know. I'm older my wife, you know. I'm 54, my wife is 51.
Then you don't help her with that pressure, with the herbs?
No, me buy some something for the rest of the
okay.
So
to help.
You call it cayenne pepper and and them something if you
give me your first name. Your first name? Mikey. It's a pleasure.
Yeah.
So for Jamaica, you talk about work together, the corona. You know, them say them are going to lock down the place for 3 weeks?
Me hear them say them are lock it down.
Why?
I never true. I mean, I look on you and say, any place locked down, enough of we have suffer. Because enough man don't know if you go out there, to use wood fire, to look wood. And make up your fire and move to certain thing. And you say all the food where you take up and not dash when you waste, them something they can't waste. They don't waste things. Like if you cook all the pot now, you put it down in a local fridge, till later day you eat it. But until you can't eat it, I don't say it.
I'll fry the dumpling.
Fried dumpling.
You know, and cook fried dumpling, fry.
Just when you cook dumpling, you fry it in the morning time. I maybe have a local color, maybe you put it against it. And then something about say, you're nice, I tell you. I just you even know.
Mikey, a Manchester, born grow.
Born and grow, yes, man.
So you travel anywhere else in Jamaica?
No. The furthest which I go to Kingston.
So you know, see this country.
Me say furthest me which I go. My father died in Canada. And his wife come out here. His wife come out here most time. And you know, say the wife never try to bus me and give me a bus. And say, boy, me I give him a bus. Me make him go know what is life. Yeah. And them not try to make me know what is life. Come in a different country and say, boy, yourself is a good boy or a bad boy. Never give him a try. And them something I look for, you know. Yeah, man, I look for look at things, man.
So your consistent business was animals and hustle?
Yeah, man. I mean,
you never finished school up like...
No.
Most of the men in Manchester are countrymen. They never get the chance to finish up because the farmer parents never have the money to push them out.
Yes,
so them keep the men them behind and put the girls
that
them...
means you have a goat, you know, go there your own, you go fight it.
Yeah.
And you go there by your own and you get out two local kids you have out there, you're not run left them.
Because you know the education.
The education, the big education of out them, so you have a nose boy. I not make my kids them suffer, you know. Enough disrespect me get yes, you know. Me get a road, you know.
Gaza take care of you?
He's a good guy. He's a good guy.
Gaza, good morning, Gaza. See man.
He's a good guy. His father makes some of them father go up together, you know. Father says, Gaza, I'm going to Mikey.
Gaza, you know Mikey's dad?
No, Mikey know my father, I know Mikey father.
He don't know my daddy, no, he don't know my father. Because my father died in Canada. Because the man don't come here. So he don't know him.
You know Mikey long time.
Long time.
Up and running. There he is, ready for work.
The man is a top class, man.
Top class.
Top class. So the man can go for any show, you know. The man can go for any show and start any show.
Yeah. So wait there, can we buy a rake for him to rake this up? Because Gaza is going to have to rake this up by himself to show the other men that he's a man.
Of course, because me will do it too.
You and him will do it? Because when me come on soon, I live, you know.
Yeah, man.
Me say me have to go buy a rake. So one morning, me and you and Gaza can...
No problem.
Because that's how we live in our face. You know me, I say, Gaza, anywhere we're going now.
Come together and unite and know say, boy, I know say.
It have to clean, Gaza.
You have to clean. Then Gaza, if you not take care of anything, who will take care of anything?
Right, man.
If you not take care of anything, who will take care of
People don't get paid to clean the place, you know.
Yeah, then get paid, you know, and we have to take it.
Who? Me know. Who get paid to do it?
Like the parish council.
People who work on the waste matter truck.
Them get paid.
Yeah, the road people they get for rake, and also it's a private land, you know, so the business them. You know.
Oh, like the patty store.
Yeah,
So we have a bun note. What them name? TST.
And people them there.
No, you say juicy beef.
Juicy beef.
Juicy beef, yeah.
So them call
Juicy beef the one, and some people buy the lot. Yeah, some people buy the lot, and them to take response seats, alright. You know.
for sale commercial lot.
Yeah.
So them for clean it. Alright, we're not gonna touch them thing. But at the same time, we have to go write a letter to them and talk to them.
Yeah, personally clean, so then clean what if you clean on top.
Yes.
Yeah.
If I mean, no, we know, I'm see over there, so I'm clean.
Oh, got it.
So parish council come intervene now.
Sometimes the people, them have a number upon the lot there, you know. I go call them myself. Sometimes when the government now do nothing, the citizen have to take it on their head. So now me have the number and say, yo, if we're not selling the land, you can't keep it dirty.
Never clean it.
And them kind of things that I like to do. Every day I like to improve my surroundings, no matter where.
Yes, sir.
Because that is how some people overseas them think. You can't go a certain people neighborhood overseas, you know. I see this, you know.
No.
I mean, it's not Jamaica. Them have them heap of garbage thing here more time. And you know what I'm saying? Like people that thief drum or something.
Yeah, really thief drum.
Madman thief drum there.
Take the job, man.
And I just put the rubbish in there.
We man take the job, I don't care, Mikey.
You can't jump no way.
Interview Mikey. Give me the password. Talk to Mikey. Talk to him about his life. Interview him.
Gaza know my life, man. Gaza know my life, so listen. Well, Gaza, when my life, you know, it's an animal thing, you know that.
We know that's an animal thing you did, Mikey.
Yeah.
You know, you're a street man, same like me.
Simple.
In the bus work.
Yes, same way.
So you're the animal them?
Well, me and them see me, I look at them, get up, I look after them this morning.
Alright. So what kind of animal you have? Tell the world what kind of animal you have.
A pig and goat me deal with, man.
Alright, so much pig you have on
Me
anything.
used to raise chicken and I see them at the dam a man in time, all 5, 4.
So what caused them for dead,
I
Mikey?
don't know, master, because sometimes I look, I say, boy, I mean, never somebody really go grab my pen and I choose something in it. So you know my pen, they behind my own.
Yeah.
And people walk around there.
Oh.
So you can't trust people, you know.
Chano star. So you're on the pig thing now?
Well, the big thing, me I go on, because man see me come here and see me yesterday in the Gaza. And the man I say, yo, Mikey, me I tell you, say, them are something you feel now. And them, you just dig a pit and get a big pipe and run it. And deal with the thing that you're not feeling no trouble with nobody. So you clean up and you're nice. Yeah, man.
So the goat them?
Well, me I go on, me about 3.
So you're on the dog and the goat
And
them?
the dog bite up on yesterday, you know. Bite up him. In Titi or something, you know, me take him up this morning. He boy been kid, you know, look like he want chat, he want a kid same time, you know, control the dog, him harass him and tear him up. Yeah, man.
So you're just him?
Yeah, man, I just on something, spray upon him something, man.
Alright, man.
See,
So you want the world to feel? You want the world to give you help on them things?
yeah,
there?
man. I like help in the world, man. Because you see, man, no lazy. And if a man get help, you know, I just should be want, you know, push start, you know.
You just want to push start in
Push
life?
start in life, you know. If you get a push, you know, man, you will help in others too, you know. You can help build up the country, build up your community, you know. And build up your thing, you know, and say, boy, the youth, them come up behind you and say, boy.
You do the thing?
Them man, was them type of man, so.
Okay.
See, sir? So we have to know. See?
So, alright, Mikey, so we put you out to the world, you know.
Yeah.
I make the world see how you're depending, you know.
Yeah.
So the world will favor and the world will give you strength. You heard, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So, alright, Mikey.
With respect.
Alright.
Alright, this is Jamaica Good Life man called Randy and the General Gaza. We're gonna eat breakfast this morning. Oh, lovely, Mikey, zoom in on this. So, I have to cut off a piece at the top for Mikey.
Yeah.
Mikey, I will get an extra part.
Yes, sir.
Which one you want, Gaza?
What is this?
That is salt mackerel.
Yeah, I'll go over here.
Alright, so here we go, Gaza. Run for 2 fork. You have your...
I mean, you have nice, but it's good, man. We can work with the nice.
No, we eat. We need the fork.
Oh, Master, look at my things, sir. Yeah. And this bad sinner, Gaza. This bad sinner. I'm making now go to the man.
Let's laugh your cause.
This I go on it. It's bad.
Yes, people, we are share the food. Yeah. Mikey get this.
Yeah.
Yeah, Mikey's a man love he cook flour.
Yeah.
So watch you know.
Alright, me will take the fork with the broken thing.
Yeah. Yeah, anything, man.
With anything. This.
You're giving Mikey some of that?
Yeah. Mikey, one piece of salt mackerel.
Yeah, man. Everything just mix up in one.
You know the Africans are so them meat on
the she was a last. What's that shit, Gaza? Yeah?
Sweet, yeah.
Gaza is sharing.
Yeah.
Fried dumpling. Randy, I give you cooked dumpling because I'm not told to give cooked dumpling.
Alright, sir.
So I take this.
Cheer me 1 for 1.
Yeah.
Jamaica Good Life, see there? On the car, in the bus park, with the star,
Mikey.
and Mikey the star. Mikey, there you go, see?
Yeah.
This is how we live in Jamaica.
Yeah.
We share, cut off top of a container. So this is mine.
Yeah, we're gonna do the math. Look at that. Dig into it.
We're getting to it.
Yeah.
Well, first I have to give thanks to the all. So we give thanks, record prayer.
Yeah, man.
This was nice. This was nice.
That's how we live, Michael.
This was nice.
If I'm here, Gaza
Where
will.
you from?
I'm from Africa.
Africa, so where you live now?
Where I live?
In Mandeville.
Oh, where I live now, in a Mandeville where I live, man. Right now, I'm hot.
Yeah, the Mandeville.
Yeah, man. Right side I market.
Eh?
Yep. I can't tell you the exact location,
Yeah,
but you know.
right beside the market. Okay. And me love how you come and share and we will come together and yeah.
Mm.
And if we unite and can live together,
Mm-hmm.
we will come together and can share and share we have as well. The country that more come together more nice and see how we unite and live, you know. We go back to them and the bad mind we would have put on that side.
But you know, I believe, Michael. You say food
Yeah.
make man not hungry.
Yeah.
So if the government say, look, we're going to take some mountains and really plant aggressive farming, me talk about.
Aggressive. What you call aggressive?
Aggressive means so much mountain there and so much more breadfruit tree for there.
Yeah.
So them start put food in a Kingston at a depot. So food price low. Food price too expensive in Jamaica.
Yeah, too expensive.
With so much sun and thing.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, them something there. Sweet Irish potato.
Well, them say if the yam grow so much, how come we not plant more of the yam? Right? And just make it run wild and
Yeah.
eh?
Yeah.
We not have to take care of the yam. Right? Talk about that, Gaza. You said it thing grow wild.
I am there. I am there big enough, yeah, man. Up in the hills. 2-3 bags I can get out of 1 year. But not everybody gravitate to that the yam.
Okay.
Yeah, so people more gravitate to the yellow yam.
And
And so they want to run like you're saying, boy.
The solution for Jamaica is aggressive farming. Aggressive means that if you have Alcan to take out your dirt, Alcan must buy tractor for the farmers in that vicinity.
yeah.
It must be a law. If you are mining in a certain vicinity, you have to replace that vicinity with 3 tractors.
Yeah.
Give back them values.
Give back to the farmers something than just money,
Yeah. Yeah.
right?
More than just money.
And then you must allocate 2 air trucks to bring water to fill up their parish tank. You see, when them select me for Prime Minister, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to send 500 girls and 500 boys to China to learn civil engineering for 4 years for free.
Yeah.
I'm going to make China ship in flutes and violin so little girls and boys can learn to play music in the ghetto. You see when them select me for Prime Minister? Gaza, you go. You don't think we can do it?
What you mean? What you mean? What you mean if you can't do it? What you mean if you can't do it?
You know what I say? Would have so,
You're a tough guy.
would have so much food in Jamaica.
So Mike eat film, whole film dumping, hopping up in and pushing meat in it.
Yeah. But them really-
You're the real African, Mike.
Yeah, man.
I saw them do it, you know. But me I say, if we send the youth them, go China go learn how to build a road. We never need the Chinese here to build a road.
We can do it.
You them know to do it. No to come build a road and the Chinese have them country and you them out there do for them.
If we set up containers in all the ghetto, we have 14 parishes. Shouldn't we have 14 stadiums? So when the tourists come now, pay performance from the artists them.
Yeah, can the artists them bad already?
So then every bauxite company is supposed to buy the stadium for we. Then Jerry and Nevin they're supposed to build some container and set up the soccer field them in the ghetto. And Jerry Avenue alone enough can set up all of the fields them in the city.
Jerry, what you call it? Yeah.
Rum.
Building. Oh.
These are
Yeah, never.
Yeah. Oh.
them alone could have changed Jamaica. Cause the youth them need good ball field. The kids them need new.
Yeah.
So let me ask you, Mikey. Mikey, in Manchester right now, how many merry-go-rounds do you see for the little girls then?
I don't see none.
Let me ask you a question,
We used to
Mike.
have them something there.
Let me ask you a
We used to have
question.
them something.
Are there any man here that does woodwork or carpentry?
If I want on,
Eh,
if one on two.
what do you say?
You-
In Manchester, thousands of them will do carpentry and woodwork.
Yeah, Yeah, man.
In Jamaica.
Yeah.
So let me ask you a
Yeah,
question,
brother,
Mike.
woodwork.
Can any man build a little wooden horse for a little girl on a merry-go-round?
No.
You don't think we can do that?
I'm going to plan it.
Good. Is there a way that we can build a merry-go-round in a Manchester somewhere for the little picnic then?
Of course.
When we growing up and we go to the circus, are there any circus in Manchester?
No.
Oh Lord.
No.
Then what?
No.
Then
No, careful.
are there any skating rings?
No.
Are there any outside bowling alleys? Gaza, you see where I'm going with this? What have we done for the children? Is there any violin consortium or piano open hall where the pick them learn how to play piano?
No.
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 Some banana.
You come and you see certain things, you know. You come and you see certain things when not take place, you know. When not take place, that means that you want to set certain things.
But
that
wait,
the things.
wait. How much dance hall and sound system we have?
A lot.
And what it?
Yeah.
Do we have any flute? Can bamboo make flutes?
No.
Can bamboo make flutes?
Bamba can make food.
What you mean? A bamboo they use make flute, you know, brother.
Oh, blow.
Flute.
Blow. Oh, yeah,
You have to tell you.
Okay, the certain word. All right.
Yeah.
So then wait now, Mikey. Can we use bamboo and make flutes for the kid
We have a lot of bamboo tree.
and make them now have a musical consortium like an opera?
Yeah.
You ever see the opera them in New York? Can these picnic in Jamaica learn how to play violin?
Yeah.
Of course.
Can we rent out a church and make people pay for hear them play? Can that happen?
Of course it can.
Out of bamboo?
Of course it can.
So why we not do it?
And bamboo there, you know. Bamboo,
What you mean if bamboo there?
Bamboo plant there.
And who make bamboo? No God.
Of course.
Okay.
Is the bamboo,
Let me ask you something. Is there any bauxite in this country? There's bauxite here, right?
Yeah.
Could we make aluminum bicycles?
Yeah.
Couldn't we? So why we not make bicycle if we have the bauxite?
Yeah, I make it.
The Prime Minister, them asleep or them are warm to them head?
Somebody have one wait them up here. Somebody have
cut expense.
What do you mean them are cut expense?
Yeah.
I'm saying half of the country already sell out, you know. We don't want certain build certain things in the country to gain off, and we don't want it, you know.
Okay.
So to them, there's too much expense on them. So there's the private sector for one it.
Oh, sir.
Calico million. But what you know, as you see, you know, we just judge everyone. We just judge everyone for everything, you know. So one bad approach judge the whole shape, though. But when one party come and do this try a thing, another party come and tap it and break it down and start something different. So another person that pick up from where a person leave off and try to elevate. So many of those buildings in our town where they not build, so the government that build something. Them lose power, this a government no continue, this a one come and try a different thing.
Alright.
Lose. So everything, so nothing not go forward and nothing not go forward.
So the people have to take it up in them hands.
Watch we, you know, watch we as the people in the country. We can't sit down and say we are waiting for the government. We have to do what we have to do to be our survival. We have to do what we do for our kids and get things.
Because you wait on government.
You understand? And we are the one to pay government and we work hard and we create jobs and pay government. All the stocks and everything. So we are the government. We just have a couple of leaders up there to represent our country. Because we are the government. If we decide this tomorrow, so we are the whole country in March. So we need this. They have to give it because they don't want that.
Yeah.
No one for work with a man abroad. You see that big tree over there, so enough of them waste, you know. But one tree like that, in the, you know, remember John Kuno? One tree like that in the center, to build a merry-go-round, for people even push it with some bearings for picnic them.
Yeah.
We can't even push it for the picnic them.
Yeah, we go around.
Yeah, man. And play some music.
Yeah, man. True.
And them things that change picnic mind. You see, if I look at you up on a merry-go-round, he might never go to crime, you know.
No, guy, he might tell himself, say, boy, I go up on the merry-go-round, go. Spin around, yeah. You know, it's a crime, and we don't cut out crime.
Right now, we need a fun park in our country.
Yes.
A real big one, like a Disney World.
Yeah, big fun park. That means it's our person very excited. Yeah, we're going to, well, guess us, when a fun park come in our country, the price.
No, brother, I think the citizen can build it now.
Watch out, the price what what you say you get together on the price. And you have to have, remember I said building a fun park, you know. You have to have maintenance, you have to have things to maintain the park. So a person said, I'm just going to charge a fee just to maintain and to pay the people them on the ground. But the fee with them I charge, people them in a less thing now I get for kids them now. And the master, you know, we can't go there so much.
Well, I don't believe it's them going build it, you know. There's a rich man who listen to this program now, you know. Man who have money, abroad, I listen to it, you know. And he might hear the idea and say, you know, say, Gaza right. There's no them. If me have $1 million in the bank now, me and my wife after we work, honey, I go take 300,000 and go build a fun park now.
Yeah.
And not them, you know?
No.
And the people.
The people, what they will help you, look, and
Can remember say that the part that not going to stop make money, you know. Can't stop make people.
Don't going to stop make money.
Fun part that you
Everything
everything there's so cheap, every youth can afford to come, every youth can get popcorn.
No, if the youth them come in for free.
Mike,
You look at youth them.
Go cup and throw some of my juice. Mike, you know, cup in that bug my wheel. Mike, you have your bug my wheel, you know.
You have your thing.
You can bug the wheel, I want to be 14. You know, boy, you know, if it is with it in the boss.
Are you that?
My son, your son, I drive it aggressive. And me knows and me feels it. So I have to take my time and do my thing.
Polish it down.
Polish it and keep it clean. Keep it clean.
You get to a cup bike, you
like
split some the cherry. I don't know if you're fine, you know, get the juice.
This is Jamaica good life.
We have so cup in our van.
Mikey, me will drink out of the cup, you drink out of my box. I'm a countryman in the Oh, man, me drink out of the cup, Mikey. He drink the juice. Me drink answer everything, you know.
We have face.
Yeah, man, that Mr. Panny knows.
When you remember.
Thank you.
That's my cherry night.
There's a boy here said yes, you don't know who we are. See, they can't grow there. They never grow there. You're too full of sense to them.
They don't understand.
All right, there you
You're too
go.
full of sense to them.
Okay, you want cherry and jump plum mix.
Mix up your mind. The man, yeah, you know what I find this.
So that June plum are real.
Get the bar some more.
It's nice, huh?
Get the bar some more.
This is the Jamaica good life.
Yeah, good life. I love that.
This is the Jamaica good
You
life.
say if a man is hungry,
Give
and
thanks.
you say if a man is hungry and you come and say no, and you give him one dumpling and you give him piece of yam feet and little gravy. Right now, you don't know where you don't know where you do to him.
Then food and
when you're
food
hungry,
and the thing, you know. Food
you're
and
cross, you know.
food. So they
Crash and
stop.
get ignorant, you know. And when you say man did something, you see him just in gone back down to normal.
So we say aggressive farming.
Yeah.
Aggressive farming is the answer.
Yeah, I just show my boss.
So you would have just get up and just go and decide to do some farming and do some
Yes, make up your mind and say, boy, you know, so right now, you mean farming they're going on right
feel
now.
like everything that come to you.
Oh, man,
You
oh, Gaza, man, Gaza. Gaza, me did sit down and know, say, boy, things
You
are
them now work here, that's the problem, man.
They might set a youth and know, Gaza. They might look and set a youth.
work.
Sit down every day and rub out and make and drink special rum and boom.
Psychological issues, mental issues.
Never got to right now, you see man with big split in the mouth and rum and boom. A shake one cup and big old split. Big split. Them something in the work. You get up in the morning and you know, say, boy, you know, I'm going to look at money and I buy one cup of money. I buy one cup, I look buy one cup again, you know. I start from scratch, you know. My mind not have it still, but I start from scratch.
Mindset. So
If you start so, you never believe what you have in a life, you know. You start from nothing, you know, to something, you know.
you're with that on it.
You start from nothing to something. You know.
So this is Jamaica good life. We're gonna sign off now. We met Mikey today. We're going, had some breakfast on the car, had some discussion. This was a meeting, Gaza. And you're ready for work. You tired, Gaza?
Tired, but we have to do it though.
You're tired, but you still have to do it.
So you have a long day ahead of you.
You know when I 12 o'clock last night, you know.
Right
You know when I
now.
1 o'clock, you know, behind us, you know, walk, you know.
I'm glad for his 7 o'clock curfew.
Yes, you know?
So I'm glad for his 7 o'clock
They
curfew.
don't must come. You
I'm
know,
going early. I get
you
some
know,
rest.
later.
So yesterday I go, you know. Yesterday I go in a farm. In a farm, bring about 6 buckets of water for the cow them. And to me time we could get to move them. But there ain't a lot of grass. I mean, I said by this year I go home if the grass go down, me move them. Yeah, and did them I look at me and said, John, I don't know if you out now, can't do them a thing, you know. And still I walk through the field where me I prepare for plant. I'm just watch it out and I move it stone same time. My wife I say, yo, come up man, come get some rest man. Come get some answer. I have to do it. I have to prepare the land of the drought and now. Because when the time for planting season, you know, say land done prepare planting time. So we have to do it around there. I'm not tired, we have to go. As I say, in Brooklyn we don't watch nothing, we have to move. We get 1 hour and that's our 5 minutes and we just up again. Another one and we just up again. Because we have to do it.
New York City set the pace, you know,
Yes, sir.
for the world. And we know, and New York City set the pace. Fastest place in the world.
New York City.
19 hours still going. Man, I work for 36 hours straight.
Right, sure.
Straight through, no beard, go 36 hours straight, brother. You see all the man when you say a Wall Street things, say them have it easy.
That's why no man never see no man with no grudge, you know. You don't know where man coming from, you know.
You see the doctors them, brother, they don't have it easy, no, brother. When you see a man on him boat and him, no rob no man, you know.
Yeah, yeah.
People in this world don't have it easy. When you see a man them in them house and them nice Benz and stuff, them can't sleep, you know. Them a take sleeping pill, you know, brother.
And then something they mash up your nerves, you know. They mash up your
You know, Gaza, life is a perception. Here with Jamaica have time, we have sunshine and water constantly. The weather change, man, we, you know. If we were born to get brittle because the weather change, you know. Right now, me I talk to you, the people in my foreign, I feel it, you know, brother.
Yeah.
There is no better place, you know.
Yeah.
You have to just make life wherever you land. So nobody thinks that, oh, land of opportunity. Because when you go there, you know, land of slavery. Jamaica has less slavery than America, you know.
Yeah.
You see how you make all 100,000, you think say you can afford your medical. And the bill is still 5,000 now when your wife pregnant, you worry how she got the baby. Because you make money.
Yes.
And you're not going to baby for free, you know, brother.
Because you have to pay money.
The only way to survive in America, either use a millionaire or use a poor dog. You see what? Most of the people in the middle are pay slave in the middle class.
Yes, sir.
Them suffer, you know.
Yes, sir.
You see when a man have 3 picnic in America and have to send them to college, at 300,000 US for each of them, you know. That's a near $1 million for send them to a good school, you know.
Yeah, good school, they get a good school, yeah.
You know, so now them have to put up the house after them. The house costs 300,000.
Yeah.
The picnic them go to be 18. In that 18-year period, the mortgage is 30-year mortgage. Guys, I guess what happened now? Picnic them to go college. He have to take out a second mortgage from the house.
Yeah.
Again.
Yeah.
So the house not pay for.
That means that he can lose the house and still have him.
But none of that. The wife now go get little cancer. Lord God, the health insurance now cover the cancer. I'm going to take another mortgage again.
That means that things are good. Things are good.
J is the best, man. J.A. is the best.
But wait. But look on Jamaica now. When you eat healthy, when you have the sun, vitamin D is the best healer.
Yes.
And then now Jamaicans work and they work on the farm. So the sun burn out all your disease.
Yes, man. Because we're not sweating, you know.
Right? So guess what? Did you know that Jamaicans don't go to doctor much?
You don't know, I never got a doctor yet, sir.
Good.
I'm going to meet a doctor pharmacy. I don't know nothing about a doctor. Don't check
So then Mikey, you see the contrast now.
Yeah, I mean, maybe I don't know nothing about a doctor.
I'm proud of Mikey.
Like me know me bitter thing and me headache with them. Me dry up and dry it and boil it something.
Alright.
And then say them something keep you fit, you know, daddy. Them something keep you strong, you know. Make your body moving, you know, drink your water.
So you will live longer in Jamaica than America. You know that?
Yeah.
Facts.
Of course.
You say when you reach 55, you better start bust the high blood pressure pill them out of the pharmacy. You know, and a weed, you can't, in a Brooklyn, you can't go pick an apple from the tree, you know, Mikey.
Yeah.
A supermarket apple, them dead, you know. Them pick already, you know.
Them apple, they pick already. That means that we know, they just have to go up because to apple and we have to Leesbury and we have
Mikey,
to
no coconut tree, no there in New York City, you know, Mikey.
We live some life, you see, boss. Boss, we live some life.
That's why we say Jamaica good life.
We say Jamaica, we live some life, and Jamaica is where we have the praises and give we have to Almighty God.
That's why we say Jamaica good life. You never go to the doctor.
Yeah.
You might can have a picnic for free.
Of course.
Right? You can pick an apple off a tree and a Leesbury and a coconut. Right?
Yeah.
But no try that in New York, no food, no do that for free.
Yeah.
Mikey,
Everything have a pay.
Mikey, they make sure the apple them no free, America. You go apple picking on a farm.
Yeah.
But anything near the city, you're not getting nothing for free. Everything in a box. And them add things to it for kill you.
Yeah, well. Yes.
So when people talk about opportunity, you have man right now in New York who want to run left them job, run left them rent, run left everything, burn up car and left it.
So we don't know. We want to run here and come here.
And come back a bush and plant. You know how much people watch this show and say, Randy, me I left it and come farm. Me tired of it.
Right now, we have right now, you say no.
Well, you don't see it.
Don't see
When you live in it, you don't see where you're living in.
You want to go there, go experience the world and see, oh, some people are here, out there. You know, say, God have mercy.
And then because you hear it from me.
Yeah, can you hear me? Yeah. If you don't teach certain things, you know,
The more picnic you have a foreign is the bigger your hell. Because the mathematical equation of foreign, you say if you don't reach the millions to pay for them to go to college, you're done. You get into a cycle. You borrow against the house.
Yes.
And the house will never be paid for. The interest rates will go up. So America, you can't make it, you know. But if you work with your wife, you're good. But you see if you're divorced now,
Yeah.
and she have the picnic, and then now you have to go and go rent a place, plus you have to pay the mortgage for your house, and you're not see the picnic.
You're dead in a show, man. You're dead in a show, because you still have your mind the picnic, you know. You still have your mind the picnic, you know. And get no benefit.
And now see the picnic.
But no, you're not getting no benefit because your mind somebody who you're not see.
So what I'm showing you say is life is a pressure shot everywhere.
Yeah.
We must look at Jamaica for all the blessings and up it. Look on the banana tree over there, so. Nobody, yo guys, look on the banana tree there. Nobody not really even, I will plant it.
Banana tree
Man, just grow. Food everywhere.
No. Yeah, my plant them about two. Them say them man go that dead out. Like me, you know, plant certain things on my yard. Because I plant the banana tree, them and them something, you know. Dig dirt, plant them in it, maybe. Me no live if you achieve it.
So the sun will come up.
You achieve something. Me plant as some
Morning sun.
You plant as some key.
That's alright. When we wake up early.
Yeah.
Now farm wake up early, I do the work. So the morning sun come catch up on the farm. Them tell you say thank you. Alright, I accomplish many of the work now. You just get the sunburn and you just drink your little coffee and your thing and you just heading back home.
Yeah.
Beard off, relax. You know, you link your friend, beard off and touch her, go sit down and feel all day and talk to your friend because you accomplish everything if you accomplish from early. Because many times some people might pass and some people sit down and say, hey boy, I glass and they don't look at 10 o'clock and watch you sit down there so I chat. You sleeping. Person did go ground from 5 o'clock from 4:30 in the morning. I do him for do, I get cold water, move in goat, I wash out in pig pen, I do anything.
Yeah.
By it's a few hours, by 8:30 my left bush, but by the time come I accomplish many things. He set everything, he do everything from early. But you see when you say, Jano, because many people, Ron, if you never even go interview on the farm, many people will know, so me have them a big farm there. Because many people that see me and say, this is you that does not parking every day out there. So many people are looking on and say, Jano, youth, they have in the farm here. Kind of easy. You get a general.
Imaginal.
Yeah, but I'm not general with general. We're very wise. We only display what you want to see. Because you are the judge by who you look upon and see, so we not change it, we just better think what you want.
Society.
Show you what you want. Because, you know, if a person look at you that way then, and no matter what you do, that's what you instill upon you, just give him what you want.
Give him what you want.
Fully in belly.
Him say badness.
Fully in belly. So one day when somebody attack me and say, are you them? I say, no, no man.
Enough time I let them do to me.
Are you
I say,
them? No
take
man,
it
a
right,
different
don't
thing I
do it.
look. When that person get to talk to you and know you in shame.
Yeah.
Cause many people talk to me, you know. And I say, yo, why you in a road? Why you do this? So, what wrong? I'm working, don't. Everybody survive over each other. If you see they have best quality will and assignment balance. Don't we have to go in there to make money? Supermarket, don't we have to go in there to make money? So everything you do on earth, you have to lean on each other.
Yeah.
No matter you go on. Some people come, my son we not load a bus. Watch out, one person loading a bus. Working. Right, you could have work on 300 million every year. You know? I only 300 million out of none a person in a park or work a little money, you know. It's not what you're making and what you're save, you know.
Yes, sir.
Can watch Corona. Corona good and bad in certain cases. You know. Corona shake up the people, but the people them say, you see what I tell you now? Because people who work some big money or just some fat car, they have enough bills come crash down on them, boom, because I work with America, you know, and take out this time and live big. And watch we know in a local street. Because we know money we take time save, but to look at what Mike said, and do we think, and save, right at the key. Because remember, you know, you got a college. Because everybody, every get a youth, and every parents now get a one a youth, never got a college. But once we got a college, you know, we come out, we work hard now, somebody company, we work hard to make that man rich. Why we not work hard for we self now? Create our own thing and make we rich with that thing. Because we got a college and say, you know, watch man, the man who you work for, you just sit down in the nice yacht and you work hard. The more you work hard, the more you stress. The more you take out your thing, and more bills you have. And more thing, your youth, them want this because you try to live a certain life. If you get fire from this hurricane, how to carry the plans you have. But you know, do your thing. As I say, create your one product, create your one thing.
True. Because man, if you leave me work and go and me can comfortable, you know. See me coming out, so me that things can live off.
Yeah, for balance.
Balance the thing. I mean, I go sit down and fret and call and work.
Jamaica good life.
Signing. Mikey.
I'm big up myself here, so. I'm also when guy aggressive on the work.
Yeah, man, do your thing, man. You have to work. Aggressive, listen.